So, welcome to How the Body Functions, and today we're going to talk about nerve cells, also known as neurons. So, did you know that neurons communicate through electrical currents? They're truly amazing. Hold on a second, I'm getting news, so these neurons don't matter anymore, but the epithelial cells, they protected the body again, and we're lucky because we're going to have one in the studio right after this short commercial break.
Are you tired of spending your hard-earned money on different skincare products that don't actually work? Well, those days are over. Our new product from OK Skincare was tested and approved by Skin Epithelial Cells. This revolutionary new skin cream is available today at the low price of $500. But if you call 1-800-978-OK within the next 5 minutes, you can buy one, get one half off.
Alright folks, we're back, and here's the big story of the night. Skin epithelial cells, they've done it again. They managed to keep a pathogen out of the body. And luckily, we've got one of them here tonight, so Mr. Epithelial, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me.
I'm a big fan.
Thank you.
So, do you mind telling our viewers at home a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, sure, no problem. As you mentioned, I'm a skin epithelial cell. I'm one of the many unrecognized heroes of the body. Shout out to the villi and the small intestine. Great guys, too. They don't get enough credit. My main purpose is to protect the body from harm.
Seems like a really important job.
I like to think so.
And can you tell us what happened earlier today?
Oh, yeah, sure, no problem. Me and all my buddies were chilling on our human. We were actually down sitting on a beach in Florida, get a nice little tan. Little one for me, but it was nice. And then a pathogen comes out of nowhere and tries to get in. But we connected at our junction points, formed a cohesive sheet of cells, and didn't let them in.
So how do you feel about that tremendous success?
I feel great. Knowing that I was able to do my job and serve my human well. Keeping another pathogen, can't let those guys in. I also feel good knowing that there will soon be others to follow my footsteps.
What do you mean by that?
Well, sadly, in another week or so, I won't be here anymore. By that time, I'll have fallen off my human and end up as what humans call dust. I mean, hopefully someplace nice.
And you're okay with that?
I don't really have much of a choice, but as long as the next generation does its job, I'll be fine with leaving. But sometimes I kind of feel like I don't really get enough credit for what I do, and I never really fully get thanked.
Well, thank you for your service.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Before you go, do you mind telling our audience a couple fun facts?
Yeah, sure. Let me think about that. Actually, as you might have seen, I'm really skinny. Some might even say flat. So this actually helps me with my job, and so we can form a nice layer and not let any pathogens or anything else in.
Well, I guess I didn't really notice that.
Oh, yeah. What else? I have no blood vessels pass through me, so I get all of my nutrients from the tissues below me. Shout out to those guys. Couldn't do my job without them. All great guys.
Well, you really do learn something new every day. So, on that note, I think I'd like to thank Mr. Epithelial for his service.
Thanks for having me.
And for showing up today on such short notice.
It's always good to spread the word about what I do. And
I'd like to thank the audience for tuning in tonight. So tune in every Friday at 8/7 Central for more interviews and more fun. And next week we're going to have an episode on sperm cells. So make sure to tune in for that one. And have a great night.